Hello guys, I am back with another Louis Vuitton unboxing. So this particular item was released yesterday and I was totally surprised because I would have never thought that I'll be able to receive this piece on the day it was being launched. So I pre-ordered this a few weeks ago and yeah, I am so excited because I was looking forward to get this in this particular leather and print as well. So here's the package. And I have already, as you guys can see, there's no ribbon in it because when I picked this up, I checked the item. I want to make it sure that I got the right thing. I just want to make it sure that I did inspect the item before I take it home. So I just didn't really want to happen the same thing again with my bicolor Felici pochette, that I was totally bothered with the clasp, the closure. So anyway, this particular item was released yesterday, Friday, and yeah, I was totally excited to show it to you guys and share my latest purchase. So here it is. It came in with this large box. I don't know, for some reason this one is too big for the item, but anyway, let me show you what I got. Here it is. Oh, they actually put this, the ribbon is here and other tags as well, so I forgot. So anyway, it's in a dust bag, obviously. And are you guys ready for this new item that I got? I am so excited for this particular piece, guys, because I have been waiting in such a long time for them to come up with this leather. And yeah, and I was totally surprised. I was totally like, I didn't expect that they are making this particular leather too soon. But anyway, here it is. Look at that. This is a Toiletry 26, and this one is made up of Empreinte leather. Wow, it is so supple, so beautiful. So this particular color is in navy. So let's take a look at the piping first. So this one right here, this one are glazing, guys. This one is in red. And on the other side as well, which is also in red. So if I could recall, there is a pochette métis on this print as well. And also the piping is in red. So to those of you who are familiar, who has the pochette métis on the navy and Empreinte leather, it is actually like, it's just the same with the leather and also with the piping. So at least you guys have an idea, or you could relate to what exactly I was talking about. So anyway, this one came in with this pull tab in here, which is in gold hardware, so you guys could see. You guys have the Toiletry in Monogram, which is the tab right here is in Vachetta. So you guys can see that the embossed where it's being manufactured. And yeah, this one has nothing. It's just plain like this. And let's take a look at inside, because this is my favorite part of this Toiletry, guys, is the interior. Are you guys ready with the interior? Because look at that. Wow. It's in beautiful, beautiful red interior. It's amazing. Wow. I was totally blown away of how pretty the inside is. Wow. Very lovely. It's my favorite color, obviously. And yeah. When my essay actually like showed me the photos on this stuff, it was just like the stock photo. I was just like, I wanted to get this. I wanted to get this. I want to add this in my collection. And definitely, yeah, I got the first dibs on this particular piece, guys. And oh my gosh, Beautiful. Look at the inside. This one is, yeah, it is actually wipeable lining, but I'm not sure the inside is what it's made up of. But this one is actually, I could tell that the interior is made up of a very thick material. Yeah, it's very thick material. As you guys can see, this one is the manufacturer's logo right there. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So instead of putting it right here in the tab, it is actually, there's a tab right here. It's made in France. And this one has a pocket. So this is just a slip pocket. It's flat right there. And I have something here. The product code. So the product code, this is M45665. M45665 if you're interested. And I'm totally like surprised because this was released yesterday and I was trying to check it online and I can't even search it yet. And okay, I don't know why, but I know for a fact that this was released yesterday. So this is the wipeable, beautiful red interior. Wow, the interior is to die for. Definitely beautiful. Wow. I just love the contrast between the red and the navy blue. Very, very nice. Wow. So this one, yeah, as you guys could see, this one is the Empreinte leather, which is actually embossed with the monogram. It has a really like, yeah, I like the fact that I could literally like feel those embossing guys. Really nice. It's like all around it. Since this one is made up of one continuous leather. So this one right here, it says Louis Vuitton. You could see up straight, but if you turn around, it's the other way around. So yeah, this particular piece is made up of one continuous piece of leather. On the side as well, look at those monogram flowers. On the other side, I just love this touch, a touch of red on the side corner, guys. It is beautiful. Wow. So since this one is very supple and very flexible as well, because this was made up, this one is made up of Empreinte leather. It's just like, if I would like to see this one, there is like, as you guys have noticed, that there is no structure in it. See, and it's not really even. So you guys can see that it's not even. This one is flat. This one is like a little bit like it's, see, it's not even on the other side as well. It's not even at all because there's no structure in this piece because this is just made up of completely leather. So if you are, let me just see, guys, let me just speak about when I was at the store checking this particular piece, there is something that really bothers me. And I have to be honest with that. What bothers me more than anything else is the glazing. So this one right there, I'm not sure if you guys are could see that. So this one right there, I'm not really sure with this. This glazing is like it's bubbling right here. And it's not very well done. And the glazing around is not very clean at all. So some of them like overlaps on the side. I'm not sure if you guys could see this part right here. And this one is like, this one is thicker and this one is like lighter glazing around it. So I don't know. It bothers me more than anything else. I asked her if they have another one for this because I don't know, that part right here, I could see the glazing is bubbling around the corner, you know, and I don't know if they couldn't make the glazing right. They could have just, I wouldn't mind if they could have just made this one like blue, so it wouldn't be so obvious. But since it is red, so it totally highlights the corner, so you could see this part right here in the corners. It's not like even at all. Some of them overlaps and the glazing is not uniform. This part right here is darker than the others. You could literally see that it's in a different color. It's more like, yeah, it's a little bit of a mixture of red and a navy. That bothers me for some reason. That's the only thing that bothers me with this particular piece, is the glazing. And also, yeah, it's like you guys probably have noticed that this one is like flatter. This one, there's a little bit of like, I don't know. It's just weird how it's being structured. But then again, it is an Empreinte leather, okay? It's really soft and supple, and that's the nature of it. But anyway, the zipper actually, it's working really pretty good. The zipper is it's smoother compared to the coin holder that I got, and I did try to wax that and it didn't work, but I'm gonna take that one to the store. So this one, not bad at all. So it is pretty smooth. And this one, the stitching right here, it's also in navy and blue as well. I really love it. I really love the combination, guys. It's very pretty. And then when you open the inside, voila, that's the really nice red interior. It's absolutely amazing. So beautiful. Wow. It smells like leather, of course. It smells really, really good. It's amazing. So anyway, since I have several toiletry in my collection, and I have the giant toiletry in my collection, and since this one is not even right here, I was thinking of like using my inserts. So with this particular piece, I think that you needed to use an insert. You needed to use an insert to be able to even out this leather. So yeah, so I have here, let me put this on the other side. So this is my giant monogram. This was released like few years ago, and I am so excited for this because I just love the beautiful pop of colors. So I have here the insert. So let me just take this one out. By the way, this one is actually holding up pretty well for having it for maybe a couple of years. It's holding up pretty well, very nice. I have so much use on this, and it's still beautiful. The structure is still really great. Look at that. So you guys have probably wondering why I have this pull tab in here, because it's easier for me to grab the zipper with this pull tab. Like this. Yeah, very smooth, very smooth. So this is my giant monogram, and let me show you, yeah, like I mentioned earlier, that this one is like, it's uneven structure. So let me try to put this insert. So I think this is toiletry 26, so I think all the toiletry and the 26 size are in the same length, width, and height. So for some reason, it fits perfectly, guys. I wish this could have been red so it would match perfectly, but I'm just giving you an example on how to be able to even out those uneven portion of this bag here, uneven structure. So let me close this one first, and look. See the difference? So earlier you could see those uneven structure of the bag, and now with the insert, it looks great. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. I mean, the color is amazing. The combination is amazing. So if you wanted to get one of these pieces, I'm just letting you know. So don't worry about the uneven structure of this beautiful purse. I would suggest to buy an insert, or if you already have an insert, that would work. And yeah, you could use this as a clutch. I use this one as an insert in some of my larger purse. I use this as a crossbody bag, and also I use my toiletry a lot. I am totally surprised that they came out with this beautiful piece. If I'm not mistaken, I think this one retails for $925 US, and this one also came in with two, with another color which is scarlet, which more likely a red color, the same as my shirt. But that one was originally what I wanted, but I don't know, they haven't really fulfilled my order yet. And my essay said that they have a lot of these, and they're a scarlet color. It's not yet available here in the US. So I don't know. I was just hoping to get that as well, because that was just my original order. But since I also love the red interior in this, I end up like, okay, I am gonna get two of these, and this color and the scarlet. So the reason why I wanted to get this, because if you guys are familiar with this newly released cousin bag, and that one has a really nice, beautiful chain strap in it, and also that one is made up of lambskin, I believe. And I'm not a fan of lambskin. It's like, I mean, I don't know, I go crazy when I see scratches in my purse, but I really wanted to add that in my collection. I was so close of buying it, and I said, well, I might probably gonna have to, since I already pre-ordered this, I could make this work similar to the cousin bag. So I would just was thinking of getting a chunky chain and hook it in the inserts, because this insert has those rivets right here where you could insert it, where you could attach it. If you have a chunky chain, I think this would look not exactly the same, but similar to the cousin bag. But the cousin is like 3,000 something, and this one is 925, and you just buy the higher quality chunky chain, and yeah, you're good to go. You have a new purse, new clutch, new crossbody bag, new top handle bag. So however you want it. And guys, I love the pattern, I love the leather, but I am more concerned with the glazing. That is the first thing I've noticed. I was a little bit disappointed because this is the only one they have at the store. She said everything was all been like spoken for. So yeah, I was like, I wish I could have had it compared to something else, and you know, got some, so be able to see exactly the issues with, there might be like some sort of issues with the glazing. But right now I am seeing a potential issue in the future with the glazing. But regardless, it is such a beautiful piece. And well, I don't know, because the Pool collection, by the Pool collection, they also have in a giant Louis Vuitton Empreinte as well. That one is priced as 1,000 something plus, and this one is, I was thinking that this is going to be over $1,000 because of the material. We know that Empreinte leather is a little bit more. The price is a little bit more. But anyway, I will definitely gonna do an in-depth reviews on this particular piece, and also I'm also gonna share my scarlet color, which is in red, which is coming soon. I ordered a chain as well, the chunky chain, and I will definitely gonna be so excited to share it with you guys and how it would look with those beautiful red shiny chunky chain, because this one has those gold chain as well. Yeah, very nice. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.